The LA River means a lot to me. I could start crying about it.
When I think of the LA River, it's a very special place for me.
I think it's complicated. I think I identify with it personally.
So tragic that the Army Corps of Engineers, after a big flood, decided to concretize the banks in the 1930s. And you know, I have some compassion for them because there was so much devastation, and they were like, let's just fix this. But like, if they had fixed it thoughtfully, they would have terraced it and made it all, and kept it wet bottom like the stretch here, and the whole river could have been terraced and also continued to be channelized, but in a way that would have been beautiful and nurtured the natural environment. And the fact that they didn't do that is so unbelievably heartbreaking. And then they got like $30 billion to like undo it, and they haven't really done anything. And then Frank Gehry was supposed to come in and do it, and there was all this resentment about that. And I know it just feels like it's a site of controversy and frustration and such beauty and such.
Connection to water and land are important. It makes me think of my dad. It connects me a lot to home, but it also grounds me a lot to LA and to LA's history. It also makes me think a lot of the first neighborhood that welcomed me to LA, which was Aleutian Valley or Frogtown, and all the amazing people there. Like, the cultural practices are what unites the neighborhood and weaves together the very different types of people that live there, and it's sweet to see.
It's trashy a little bit. That's kind of why I like it. But there's also just so much life and abundance there. And I think also recently I was going through a really tough time, and one of the things that helped me was to just to go to the river and hang out by myself, and not really have a destination, but just to keep walking and get some sweat and talk to the birds, the plants, the sage, and so I'm trying to foster this relationship with the river, or with just the earth in general, and I'm trying to give back to the thing that gave me so much, I would say.